Hello there. I'm just waiting for the train. For a 5,000-ton snaky vehicle to gently roll into the station, moving people and cargo all around the country. Which reminds me of a story. The story of trains. By the year 1850, railways were booming all over the United States. A very long time ago, for sure. But the first trains go back even further than that. All the way back to the year 1550 in Germany. Let's go on an imagination journey. All aboard the Mind Express. Auf Wiedersehen! Wooden wagons on wooden tracks, pulled by horses, were used to transport people and cargo all around the country. By the 19th century, wood became steel and iron, and steam-powered engines let the horses have a break. And business was booming. Speaking of business, never take a loan from a chubby guy in a fancy hat. You'll be in debt for a very long time, and will have to do unspeakable things. Debt is when you borrow money from someone and have to give it back, because that's the right thing to do. You see, sometimes you want to buy a house, or a nice car, or a train. But you don't have enough money to buy those things. So, you borrow money from the bank or some guy your cousin knows to purchase those things. And then, over time, pay the money back. Oh. I missed the train. I'm a dead man.